Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious broccoli cheddar soup at home. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe we're going to need 5 to 6 cups of broccoli cut into small pieces, 2 cups of shredded carrots, half of an onion, 3 minced garlic cloves, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 4 cups of freshly shredded cheddar cheese, 3 cups of half and half or heavy cream, 3 cups of chicken broth, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. We're going to begin by setting our pot over medium-high heat. To that we're going to add a little bit of oil and our butter. So we're just going to allow the butter to melt. Once our butter melts, we're going to add our onion and we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. Add the shredded carrot, mix it, and allow it to cook for 1 minute. For the minute, add the minced garlic, saute it for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds, we're going to sprinkle the flour. Just mix it and allow it to cook for 1 minute. So here we're going to be adding our spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, smoked paprika, chicken bouillon, and 1/4 teaspoon of dry mustard and nutmeg. So just mix it in. And now here slowly we're going to begin to pour our chicken broth. Add it little at a time so like that we dissolve the flour. Okay, so once we have our base, we're just going to allow it to come to a simmer. Once our base is nice and thickened, now we're going to be adding our heavy cream. And just mix it. Reduce the heat to medium-low and bring it to a simmer. Alright, so after 3 minutes, this is what our broth should look like. It should have thickened. Here you're going to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. But now we're going to get ready to add our broccoli. Just going to mix it and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our broccoli should be fully cooked. So here we're going to be adding our cheese. So just add it a little at a time. And we just repeat until we have added all of our 4 cups of cheese. Now we're just going to allow that cheese to melt. And just like that, our delicious broccoli and cheddar soup is done. So then we can get ready to serve. Alright guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So let me tell you that I am so ready. Just look at that. Alright guys, and I like to top my soup with some more cheese. Just like that. And enjoy it with my favorite bread. So now we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This right here is super easy to make. It's so delicious. It's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. That is so good. It's comforting in a bowl. So flavorful, so delicious. It's so creamy. It's so good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious broccoli cheddar soup. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you work with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.